This is a well-presented 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom quad villa located in the Regia area of Cabo Roig, in a quiet setting close to all amenities. From the outside, the property has a welcoming feel, with green areas nearby and a private plot that offers plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors, whether for sitting, dining, or relaxing with family and friends. As you enter the house, you come into a bright open-plan living and dining area, a comfortable space for everyday living. The kitchen is semi-open, modern, and fully fitted, with a breakfast bar that connects nicely with the main living area. On the ground floor, there is also a double bedroom. The property is in excellent condition and comes fully furnished, making it ready to move into. A renovated bathroom with walk-in shower. Upstairs, there are 2 further double bedrooms and a second renovated bathroom, also with a walk-in shower. From this floor, there is access to the terrace, where you can enjoy views of the surroundings. It also benefits from air conditioning, ceiling fans, infrared panel heaters, and white goods. And the location is very convenient. The community offers a swimming pool, the Cabo Roig strip is less than 10 minutes away on foot, and La Caleta beach can be reached in around 15 minutes. Overall, this is a comfortable and well-located home, ideal for holidays, permanent living, or as an investment property. You're interested in seeing more property tours like this one? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.